Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody. Let's take a look today at euro currency finally. So actually we have not significant activity in recent sessions. It's understandable as market is coming closer to the Christmas holidays. So it really question whether it makes sense to make any video than tomorrow. So that will be the day before the holidays. This will be probably even more slow market than we have today, but still some action stands here. And if you remember, yesterday we have talked mostly on the dollar index, and we have explained our position why we think that dollar index probably should retrace a bit lower. So because it's really big bearish momentum stands on the market right now that presses on the market, and this is normally in such circumstances the market should show some deeper retracement. Corresponding to the euro currency, it should mean that euro in some degree should follow, because you know that the 50% or even more the dollar index is taken by euro. So in the euro we probably should anticipate some upward continuation, although currently it's difficult to say how significant it will be. So currently we could speak on here some maybe ABCD pattern to the upside, something of that sort, as we have on dollar index. But this stands it's a bit far, so somewhere to 21.35, because we have closer targets, and currently this target probably is too significant. So we need to take a look first on the lower time frames and closer objective points that we have. For example, on the dollar index we have talked about the 92.30 area, and it stands relatively close. It's based on some intraday ABCD pattern. So right now, as you can see on the daily chart, market has reached fib level, so 1870 is fib resistance from this top to these lows. And today probably, guys, at least technically, it will be not good day for taking long position, because as a result of this action, we've got a bearish pattern on the 4-hour time frame chart. This pattern is the guarded triple to sell. It doesn't mean that we will get some drastic bearish reversal. The market will start dropping. Not necessary. Here, some just retracement could be triggered, because the minimum target of this pattern is the 3-8 retracement of the upward action. So if it will reach the 3-8 support, it should treat it as the completed pattern, because minimum target has been achieved. Also, this spike up, guys, was very important, because take a look, it has closed the gap that has been formed in the starting of the December, and now this gap is closed. Speaking on this ABCD action, you can see that the CD, here we have the deep retracement on the AB leg, and CD leg is a bit slower. So it means that the chance on some bounce here looks significant on the 4-hour time frame chart. Trend holds bullish here by far, but currently, as I said, market has some resistance and completed this AB equals CD target. So this is some background for a possible retracement. On the hourly chart, you could see that the CD leg of this pattern also takes the shape of the butterfly. It's 127, has been met. Market right now is turning in some bounce. So the most probable destination point that market could reach stands approximately 1830, because this is previous support resistance, as you can see, stands here as previously also spike here, then it becomes support. Market has broken it up. Here's resistance, breakout, support, and upward action. So now retesting of this area looks logical. So it's approximately 1830 confidence support on the hourly chart. That's possible direction. Although, guys, difficult, of course, it's forecasting something here because, as you understand, liquidity is really very poor. So that's why it's very difficult to say whether any activity will be within the recent sessions today, tomorrow. Well, but we will see. In general, overall step looks not bad because on daily chart, as you can see, market already has moved above the monthly pivot point, above weekly pivot point, and weekly pivot resistance one. This indicates the bullish sentiment on the euro currency. Well, that's why it's further upward continuation in the medium-term perspective is very probable, maybe after the holidays. So we will see some more activity. But right now, overall sentiment, according to our pivot points, stands positive, bullish. And here we're mostly talking on possible technical bounce, technical retracement, just the existence of the resistance area around 117. So if you're a scalp trader, you could watch for possible minor bearish patterns. Maybe will be formed here on the slope of this action. Maybe some Gardner's triple to sell that could lead to the larger ABCD retracement down, something of that sort. If you are watching for taking the long, in this case, it's better to wait and see better price from taking the position. Maybe, as I said, around 1830, this could become not bad chance, because this will be confidence support, reaction on the 4-hour time frame chart will happen in this case, and that will be just safer and better entry opportunity around this confidence area.